Hello and welcome to the PRWeek Healthcare and Pharma Comms Awards. And to set the scene for today's presentations, here's PRWeek's John Harrington.
Welcome to the PRWeek Healthcare and Pharma Comms Awards, the most prestigious award scheme for healthcare and pharmaceutical communications. I'm John Harrington, the editor of PRWeek UK. The COVID era has shown just how important healthcare communicators are, and I'm really pleased to be able to say we'll be recognising some of the best communicators and campaigns in the sector. Before we start, I'd like to say a really big thank you to all of our judges for their excellent work in the process, and also to everyone who entered. Good luck.
Thank you, John Harrington. Coming up in just a moment, this year's hotly contested categories. But first, the PRWeek Healthcare and Pharma Comms Awards is delighted to support its charity partner Skylarks, a small UK charity providing activities and therapies for children with disabilities and additional needs, as well as care for their whole families.
I would describe it as a hub of information and a support network, and a very nourishing and nurturing place to visit. My son Jamie skips in and just loves it.
We're seeing them grow and we're seeing their potential, and a charity like this allows us to do that, whether it's play or therapies or just chatting to another parent over a cup of tea and just bonding together as we travel through this journey.
We're based in Richmond upon Thames, but anyone from anywhere is welcome. We also look after their parents, their carers and their siblings. It's kind of cool, I think.
Hello. I love karate. Play football. It's very fun.
Why like coming here?
For me and my brother to play here a lot.
That's nice. So thank you very much, and I will see you soon.
You can find out more about Skylarks by visiting their website at skylarks.charity. We're now just moments away from revealing the first of those judges' decisions. Now, before we reveal the first of this year's winners, don't forget you can get involved and spread the word about today's presentations using hashtag #PRWHealthcarePharma, and you can tag us at PRWeek UK News. And so to our first award for the best use of social media and/or influencers in a healthcare or pharma campaign, where the judges looked at how social media and influencer activity helped achieve specific goals. And there's a trophy for one of these finalists. Association of the British Pharmaceutical Industry for valuing vaccines. Aduro Communications and hashtag It's All Normal for Halliburridge. Havas Life Medicom and Rosacea Beyond the Visible for Galderma. And Grayling, the Care Quality Commission and Healthwatch England for Because We All Care. But today's first PRWeek trophy goes to Grayling, the Care Quality Commission and Healthwatch England. When non-urgent NHS treatment was paused or moved online, Because We All Care set out to increase the volume of health and social care feedback. The resulting digital-first campaign targeted harder-to-reach audiences while engaging hundreds of important stakeholders through social media.
Thank you for awarding the Because We All Care campaign. This means so much to us, not just at Grayling, the Care Quality Commission and Healthwatch,
but also to the thousands of people whose support helped health and social care services to make care better. So from all of us, a massive thank you.
The award for best use of social media or influencers in a healthcare or pharma campaign to Grayling, Care Quality Commission and Healthwatch England for Because We All Care. Next, it's time to reveal this year's best over-the-counter pharmaceutical product launch, with the judges looking at disease awareness, communications with target audiences, and direct-to-consumer work. And here they chose an outright winner. So, taking the PRWeek trophy, it's an OTC contraceptive pill launch for HRA Pharma, Brands to Life, and Hello Hannah. HRA Pharma tasked Brands to Life with their launch of the first OTC contraceptive pill, making it a landmark moment in the history of women's health. The result was a best practice case which yielded excellent results with great metrics and commercial outcomes.
We're so thrilled to win this award. It's been an absolute privilege to work on the launch of Hannah, which represents such an important milestone in women's health. Thank you to our wonderful clients at HRA Pharma for your partnership, and of course to our brilliant team at Brands to Life for making the magic happen. Thanks again.
Winning for Best Pharmaceutical Product Launch, OTC, Brands to Life, and Hello Hannah, OTC Contraceptive Pill Launch. Next, the award for Best Use of Public Affairs in a Healthcare or Pharma campaign. And 2 strong finalists go head-to-head for the PRWeek trophy. APCO Worldwide with promoting venous thromboembolism awareness at the WHO amid the COVID-19 pandemic for the International Society on Thrombosis and Hemostasis. And Tendo Consulting's #CatchUpWithCancer for Radiotherapy for Life. Both strong contenders for this award. But after much deliberation, the judges chose their winner. And it's Tendo Consulting and #CatchUpWithCancer for Radiotherapy for Life. This winning campaign achieved huge media, political and public support for cancer patients during the pandemic. And helping a small charity, Action Radiotherapy, punch way above its weight, the campaign helped unlock urgently needed additional NHS funding.
Hi everyone. It gives me great pride to accept this award on behalf of Tendo Consulting. Thank you to our amazing client, Radiotherapy UK, and the family whose story is at the heart of the Catch Up with Cancer campaign. Well done to all the shortlisted and winners tonight.
The award for the best use of public affairs in a healthcare pharma campaign to Tendo Consulting and #CatchUpWithCancer and Radiotherapy for Life. Our next award goes to the Healthcare Pharma Comms Newcomer of the Year. Someone who's worked in the sector for no more than 3 years, but who's creative, keen to extend their range of skills and expertise, and has already demonstrated real skill in handling clients and campaigns. And this time we have no fewer than 5 strong contenders for the title. From Syneos Health Communications, Account Executive Adam Alexander. From 9010, Account Manager Grant Allison. From Hanover, Account Manager Erin Archer. From Syneos Health Communications, Account Executive Emma Pascoe-Watson. And from We Communications, Senior Account Executive Rose Porter. And here the judges agreed. They were impressed by all these truly worthy finalists and decided first to award a well-deserved high commendation, which goes to Grant Allison. Well done, Grant. But the winner here, our newcomer of the year, is Erin Archer. The judges agreed Erin's ability to take control of a project and produce excellent results for clients is remarkable for someone with just under 2 years in healthcare communications, during which time she's received 2 promotions, a clear reflection of her ambition and passion for the job.
Thank you so much to PRWeek for this award. I'm delighted to have been named Newcomer of the Year. I've loved my time in health and pharma comms so far, and I'm very excited to continue building my career, learning and having a positive impact on people's health and well-being in the years to come.
Healthcare Pharma Comms Newcomer of the Year from Hanover, Erin Archer. Next, it's our award for the best Healthcare Pharma Crisis Comms Response, rewarding the most effective crisis management of an issue in the healthcare pharma sectors relating to the coronavirus pandemic. And here, 2 strong contenders go head-to-head for the title and the trophy. Lynn PR and #Don't Miss Your Vaccine for our Healthier South East London ICS and NHS South East London CCG. And University Hospital Southampton NHS Foundation Trust for COVID Zero. 2 deserving finalists, but only 1 takes the PRWeek trophy. And that winner is Lynn PR for #Don't Miss Your Vaccine. With an urgent need to engage with young people to meet South East London COVID-19 vaccination targets last summer, Lynn PR launched a targeted, integrated, data-driven campaign to drive behaviour change, generating take-up improvements exceeding 67% in just 2 weeks.
Hi, my name is Shayuni. I'm CEO of Lynn PR. On behalf of Team Lynn and our client, our Healthier South East London, a huge thank you for this award. It's testament to the impact our work has on our society in saving and improving lives. Diolch yn fawr, as we say in Wales. Thank you very much for this honour.
Best Healthcare Pharma Crisis Comms Response, Lynn PR, and hashtag Don't Miss Your Vaccine. Next, it's the Healthcare or Pharma Comms Professional Award to someone in an agency leadership role with exceptional client handling skills, innovative techniques, and strong leadership qualities. And there are 2 worthy contenders for the trophy. From Evergreen PR, Managing Director Lee Greenwood. And from Evoke Kine, Senior Vice President Amanda Mullally. And from those 2 fine finalists, I can tell you now, the winner is Amanda Mullally. Amanda impressed the judges with her commitment to leading internal initiatives that respond to societal and colleagues' needs. A dedicated and nurturing leader. She's a true inspiration and a respected role model.
Wow, I'm truly honoured to receive this award. Huge thanks to my WhipSmart collaborative and kind colleagues who I have the pleasure to work with every single day. And to our clients who continue to inspire us by advancing health and well-being around the world. I look forward to continuing to make a big impact together. Thank you.
The award for Best Healthcare Pharma Comms Professional in an Agency, Evoke Kine's Amanda Mullally. Next, the first of 2 awards for Best Pharmaceutical Product Launch for non-OTC products, where the judges looked at disease awareness, communications with target audiences, and direct-to-consumer work. After much deliberation, they chose an outright winner. So taking the trophy, it's launching Zolgensma, the first gene therapy for babies with SMA in the UK, for Novartis Gene Therapy by Havas Life Medicom. With gene therapies still a new field, this was an immensely challenging area to navigate, but the judges felt Novartis had done so expertly. A win for infants, families, and public health. This is how every new product campaign should be done, they said. Winning for Best Pharmaceutical Product Launch non-OTC, Havas Life Medicom, for launching Zolgensma, the first gene therapy for babies with SMA in the UK. Next, the award for Best Public Health Awareness Campaign, with the judges looking for original, creative thinking and how effectively each campaign met its objectives, and there's a shortlist of 5 finalists. Cow and Period for Intermina. GCI Health and Engine MHP with New Normal, Same Cancer for AstraZeneca. Mind Plus Matters Smear Word for Roche. 12 and Fast Heroes for Boehringer Ingelheim. And Virgo Health's Time to Unite for Estee Lauder Company's breast cancer campaign. But the winner for Best Public Health Awareness Campaign is Cow for Period. As millions across the world still face period-related issues, Intermina set out to promote period positivity worldwide through an innovative partnership with Pantone, which resulted in Period, a new red Pantone shade that sparked a torrent of positive coverage.
Thanks PRWeek for this amazing trophy.
And a big thank you to Intermina, our client, for believing in the idea.
Yeah, we're really hugely pleased to receive this. Thank you.
Best Public Health Awareness Campaign, Cow and Period. Next, it's time to reveal this year's Best Agency Healthcare or Pharma Comms Practice. And with the judges looking for evidence of market share and financial growth, as well as client list growth and retention, The finalists are Edelman UK Health, Fleischmann Hillard UK, Hanover Healthcare Communications, MHP Health, and We Communications. And from those, there's a high commendation for We Communications. But taking the trophy and the title Best Agency for Healthcare or Pharma Comms Practice, it's MHP Health. This winner shows what can be done during a pandemic to meet market needs and make an impact by looking after its team and their clients, producing amazing work and achieving enviable client retention.
I'm beyond delighted that PRWeek has recognised MHP Health this year as one of the leading pharmaceutical communications agencies. The team has worked so phenomenally hard over the last year. Their perseverance, passion and dedication has really shone through both to how we look after each other, but also the work that we have done for our clients. Thank you so much to the judges for recognising our achievements and for everybody who's been involved. Really has been a remarkable year and I am simply so proud of each and every one of you.
Taking the title Best Agency in Healthcare or Pharma Comms Practice, MHP Health. Next, the award for Best Use of Media Relations in a Healthcare Pharma Campaign. And there's a shortlist of 4 strong contenders here. Cow and Period for Intermina. Grayling for the Health Foundation's COVID-19 Impact Inquiry. Mind plus Matter and Cholesterol Uncovered for Rhizio Nutrition. And Nuffield Department of Population Health at the University of Oxford for the Recovery Trial, the world's largest study of COVID-19 treatments. Now from those, there's a well-deserved high commendation from the judges. And that goes to Nuffield Department of Population Health, University of Oxford. Congratulations to them. But the PRWeek Award for Best Use of Media Relations in a Healthcare Pharma Campaign goes to Cow and Period for Intermina. Well, a second win here for a slick campaign on a poignant topic through an inspiring partnership between Pantone and ActionAid, delivering impressive coverage for a budget that worked really hard to fight stigma on a global scale.
Thank you, PRWeek, for this award. It means a huge amount. Thank you also to our client Intermina and to Pantone for getting involved in this particular campaign. And thank you to everybody that wrote about it, that talked about it, that shared it, because that ultimately is what we're trying to achieve here.
Winning for the best use of media relations in a healthcare pharma campaign, Cow and Period. Our penultimate award is for the best use of content in a healthcare or pharma campaign, with the judges looking at the impact of that content beyond reach and towards outcomes. And their finalists are Cow and Period for Intermina, Lin PR and hashtag Don't Miss Your Vaccine for our Healthier South East London ICS and NHS South East London CCG, Mind plus Matter and Smear Word for Roche, Ready 10 and Wear a Bloody Mask, a public service message to encourage mask use for Wise Protect, Real Chemistry for Ipsen Liver Cancer Awareness Month Campaign 2021, the organ family of Fork in the Road, and ZPB Associates Vaccine Facts for our Healthier South East London ICS. Now, from that impressive shortlist, there is a high commendation, and that goes to Lin PR and hashtag Don't Miss Your Vaccine. Well done to you. But the winner here is Ready 10's public service message, Wear a Bloody Mask. This winning campaign used the iconic Brian Blessed to cut through the noise and land an important message. A fun, creative idea and perfect casting that captured media interest and delivered measurable results for the product's unique antiviral capabilities.
Thanks so much for this award. We're delighted to have won. It was a great campaign for us to work on and very excited to have another piece of metal for the trophy cabinet. Detty, anything to add? I think she was saying wear a bloody mask. Thanks.
Best use of content in a healthcare or pharma campaign, Ready 10's Wear a Bloody Mask, a public service message to encourage mask use. And so to today's final award, the highest accolade to the best healthcare pharma comms agency, with the learned judges on the lookout for the year's most effective work in healthcare and pharma comms. So, on this important shortlist are ARC Biocommunications, Evoke Kine, GCI Health, Lin PR, Mind Plus Matter, Ovid Health, Real Chemistry, and Virgo Health. Well, from that impressive shortlist, the judges awarded 2 high commendations. One goes to GCI Health and the other to Lin PR. Very well done to both of you. But the winner, for some truly innovative and original creative thinking that's kept its culture as vibrant as ever in a virtual world, it's Virgo Health. By living and breathing its values, Virgo Health continues to thrive, unlocking unprecedented growth, developing new client relationships, and cementing existing ones, while putting its people and their wellness first to create a true agency for the future.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. We're absolutely thrilled. I want to say a huge thank you to the whole Virgo team. Every single one of you has contributed to the success we've had this year. I can't wait to see you all. Can't wait to celebrate in person.
Congratulations to the PRWeek Healthcare and Pharma Best Healthcare Pharma Comms Agency winner, Virgo Health. Well, there go our awards for today. Huge congratulations to all of this year's amazing finalists, and especially this year's winners. Remember, you can find more about them at prweek.com/UK/healthcare. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you and your teams next year for another PRWeek Healthcare and Pharma Comms Awards.